Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today in this video I'll be showing you how to attach the invisible zip. So you can attach this invisible to any kind of fabric. That is, if you want, you can attach this to your nighty, your kurta and kurti. It can be like your feeding dress, that's a nursing dress. So today in this video I'll be showing you how to prepare a nursing dress with a front opening zip. So let's get into the video. So I have already made the shoulders and the armhole. For the armhole, please don't cut into the armhole and also don't mark the circumference of your body. Okay, so first I'll be marking the zipper point, so till where you want the zip to be. Okay, so till 14 inches I'll be having the zip, and this is going to be the like till my waist length is going to be 16 inches. So if you're making the same pattern as your nighty or kurta, make sure you divide the fabric into two half. One half is going to be your waist and one half is going to be the skirt part for that. So for me, from the top for 16 inches I have marked with the seam allowance, and I'm just cutting out the fabric and separating the fabric into two half. So now I have the bodice piece and I'll be having an opening on both the sides of the chest. So from the shoulder point I'll be taking 1 inch. Okay, so I'll be attaching the zip exactly at the center. Okay, so just place the tape again on the shoulder line. So from the top I'll be marking like 8 inches. So from the 8 inches till 14 inches is going to have a zip opening. So that's going to be the straight line from that 1 inch of the shoulder. So from the shoulder I'm going to cut it straight down. Okay, that's the shoulder line. So you're going to divide the fabric into three pieces. Okay, so that's the center panel, and you're going to have a two piece on either side. This is the center panel. So now place these panel on either sides like this, and now I'll be joining this together, and let me show you how to attach the zip on both the sides. Okay, so take your invisible zipper right now, and just make sure that the teeth should be facing towards your left hand side, and the raw edge of the zipper should be facing to the raw edge of the fabric. And make sure you chain the normal foot to the zipper foot. So exactly at the starting point of where you want to attach the zip, just place your zip on the exact margin, and you're going to start sewing from the top till the down part. Okay, now I have opened the zip, and the teeth should be towards your left hand side and the raw edge should be on your right hand side. Now you can see I am opening the zip like this. So after attaching the zip to the one side, you're going to repeat the same to the next side. Again, make sure that the teeth of the zipper should be on your right hand side, and all the raw edges should be facing out. So again, you're going to sew that together on the exact margin like such. So make sure that you sew at the exact point of the teeth. Okay, so now little by little I'm going to get into the zip like this. So now it's done. So this is how it's going to look once it's done. All you're going to do is you're going to turn the zip to the wrong side like such. Okay, and I'll be pinning that in place before sewing this. Okay, just like that, you're going to flip the zip to the wrong side. So I'm doing this to both the sides of the zip. So now let me put the zip and show you how it's going to look. This is how it's going to look. So once you're done with this, you're going to join both the pieces. So make sure both the fabric pretty sides should be facing each other like this. So from the shoulder, you're going to sew all the way down till the head of the zip, till how much you want the opening to be. So I'm going to sew exactly till this point to finish off my zip. Okay. So if you're making the nursing dress, that's if you're feeding mother, you can just attach the same kind to your kurta or kurti. Even you can make the same kind of nighty also. And this is how it's going to look from the wrong side. And this is the pretty side of the fabric. You can see I have pressed that in place so that you won't be finding the zip, and you have a very beautiful opening like this. Very simple and very easy to make, and it is totally invisible. No one knows that you're having a zip at the front. And if you wear a dupatta, for sure the head of the zip would be hidden and inside your dupatta for sure, and it's going to look really beautiful and simple. So the next method is I'll be showing to the next side. Take the pretty side of the next side of the fabric and make sure that both the pretty sides is placed together like this, and you're going to start sewing at the exact margin, leaving a 1/4 inch of seam allowance. So both the methods works great, and I'll be teaching you these two methods. If you find any one of the method is easy for you, you can try either one of this. And this is the exact two methods of attaching your zipper foot. Once after sewing this, make sure you open the seam, and you're going to crease that with your nails like this. In the way you're going to open it wide like this, and if you want you can just give a small press. Okay, and take your invisible zipper, and now make sure that the pretty side of your zipper is going to face down like this, and secure the zip with some pins on both the side. And the key thing over here is the stitch line of your fabric should match the zip teeth. That's a very important thing. So make sure you place the zip on the exact center of your stitch line, and first pin that in place, then you can just take this to the sewing machine. So you'll be pinning on both the sides of the zip, and now same like that I'm going to sew at the exact margin of the zip like such. So you can try either of these way. It just both the ways looks really neat, and I'll be showing you the end result also. For sure this video would be helpful for the feeding mothers. And once it's done, you're going to jump to the next side of the zip. Okay, and you're going to sew that straight up. So if you're making this for your nighty, make sure you divide the nighty into two pieces, that is your till your bodice and skirt. And after attaching the zip, you can join both the pieces together. Now you can see, now I have attached my zipper, and this is going to be the pretty side of the fabric. And what I'm doing here is I'm just stretching both the fabric, and take your thread picker and you're going to cut in the thread. You can see I'm just cutting the thread and making this as a two individual fabric, so that I'll get into my teeth of my zipper like this. Hope this is simple as such. It would be really simple for you people to attach the zip in a clever way. You can try either one, but I feel this is very simple to follow. So that's it. Once you cut into the thread which is in the center, you're done with this. So make sure you just widen the fabric, or else you'd be cutting the fabric in. So you should be very cautious, very slowly you're going to do that. So now I'm just taking out the head of the zip out like such. Okay, and I'm just closing that in. Make sure that it's secured. So this is the another side of attaching the zip, and you can see this also came out really nice and neat. And this is the one more side. Both the sides came out really pretty. So one more thing to go with this is you're going to remeasure everything. First, I'm going to mark my circumference of my upper body, which is going to be 8.5 inches, and I'm going to remeasure my shoulder line. My shoulder line was like 6 inches. Now you can see it has been reduced till 5.3 inches. So again, I'm going to mark that 6 inches, and I'll be drawing the armhole again. So this is very important, guys. Don't ever cut the armhole. Always measure again, re-measure it, and then you're going to cut into the fabric. And I'm drawing my new armhole over here, and this is my neckline. From the top, I just took 6 inches as a depth of my neckline, and I'm just giving a small plain U neckline for this. And let me cut into this. So hope you like this video, and if you like this video and if you want more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and don't ever forget to hit on the thumbs up button just below this video. So see you next time with a different kind of style. Take care. Bye bye.